Hello everyone. So we've actually got a little bit of a different video going out this Friday. It's in collaboration with another YouTube channel, Russian Road. They've done mini documentaries about ourselves post floods and before the floods happened. So they put a really good video together to see how we've kind of recovered from the floods that happened in Orenburg at the beginning of spring this year. So it's actually an excellent channel they've got, so make sure you subscribe to them. All the links will be in the description. The links will be in the description once the video goes live this Friday. I've also got a bit of a teaser trailer that I'm going to put onto the end of this video. It's actually really quite a good little teaser trailer, so make sure you watch the video to the end. But yes, they spent a lot of time, 2 days, coming out to interview us and really kind of document after the floods. And I got some really good footage of before the floods as well. They also make quite good films, good mini documentaries about other foreigners that have also moved to Russia. So really do check out their channel. But I also wanted to take this time or opportunity on this video, as I was thinking about doing this video myself, you know, before and after. But obviously speaking with Russian Road, they've done it a lot better than me. Their editing is really good. But I wanted to take this opportunity to really thank everybody involved, from the YouTube community, on my YouTube channel, Telegram, all my social links, the neighbors, family, friends, pretty much everybody that's kind of supported us over the last 6 or 7 months. You know, we couldn't have done this without you. It's really uplifted us, and it's really helped us to get back on our feet with our family home here in Orenburg, Russia. So it's a huge thanks to everybody, and even the state government here as well, for some of the compensation we received towards helping restore the property as well. So yes, we couldn't have done it without all of these people as well, and we're just very grateful. So what I will do, I will share the link on Telegram as soon as the video goes live. So make sure you follow us over on Telegram as well. And I will put the teaser trailer on shortly. But yeah, it's just really good to have somebody come out and kind of do it a bit more professional. And I hope you like it. I haven't actually seen the full video yet myself. So yeah, let's hope they've done a good job. Enjoy. I'll show you the teaser trailer now.
Зайдем, сейчас поплывем, сейчас я лодку снаряжу, все приготовлю. Но в любом случае в начале нашей улицы мы с лодки выйти не сможем, там очень глубоко, да. Там некоторые дома еще практически половина в воде, я думаю.
So obviously we had to get a boat to what was the drive, the road here, and then we had to come in through the garage here. And initially walking in, like a few of my neighbours as well, it was just like the shock and horror. It didn't look like our house. It literally looked like we were coming into, I don't know, like a graveyard or something. It was like everything just destroyed. Just like literally something out of a Hollywood disaster movie. You know, you're literally on some film set of, I don't know. It doesn't feel like our home. As you can see, it's just yeah. My name is Martyn. I'm from England, United Kingdom. I have 4 children and I'm married to my Russian wife. 2 years ago, we moved to Orenburg, Russia. I also have my YouTube channel, Russian Travels, which I started 6 months ago. We also went through a terrible flood, and now we are rebuilding our lives here in Orenburg, Russia.